Now the question is, find the equation in Cartesian form of the plane passing through the points 3, minus 3, 1 and normal to the line joining the points 3, 4, minus 1 and 2, minus 1, 5. Now direction ratios of normal to the plane through points 3, 4, minus 1 and 2, minus 1, 5 are, now the direction ratios are 2 minus 3, then minus 1, minus 4, then 5, minus 1. Now, this is equal to negative of 1, negative of 5 and 6. Now, equation of plane passing through this point 3, minus 3, 1, passing through 3, minus 3, 1 and normal to which has direction ratios. What we got it? Minus 1, minus 5 and 6 is now minus 1, this one minus 1 and it passes through 3, minus 3, 1. So, x minus 3 minus 5 with y minus 3 plus 6 with z minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, what we have used? Equation of a plane passing through x1, y1 and z1. So, we are having a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equal to 0. So, this we have used. Now, this becomes minus x plus 3 minus 5y minus 15 plus 6z minus 6 is equal to 0, or we are having minus x minus 5y plus 6z plus 3 minus 15 and minus 6. So, we are having minus 18 is equal to 0, or we can write it x plus 5y minus 6z plus 18 is equal to 0 is the required equation in Cartesian form. Answer.